Hi, this is Mark Phillips, and welcome to this edition of the Aftermarket Intel video briefing. Rematec Amsterdam 2023 just wrapped up, and I was there on the scene to find out why remanufacturing truly is the future of automotive. Nearly 3,900 visitors from more than 90 countries came to Amsterdam to learn about technology and exchange ideas about how to move remanufacturing forward. This video is sponsored by TranStar. TranStar Industries, a leading automotive distributor with more than 45 years of aftermarket industry experience, has a complete line of air conditioning parts and tools. For more information, visit transcend.us.
This is my sixth time coming to the show, so it's every other year, and obviously we had the time off with the pandemic. But Rematec has successfully brought this show to China. And what we're seeing, I'll say this time around too, is many of the exhibitors that we saw in China are also here today, this week. So certainly more international. With the European influence, that's where we are. Many American companies and American executives, but we're seeing an even more international flavor as remanufacturing continues to grow in importance in our world of sustainability and ESG.
We're looking for suppliers who have the skill to be able to do that and really drive us as Stellantis. Do not rely on us as Stellantis and the Sustainera team to come to you. We want you to come to us and really challenge our thinking.
So one important thing for everybody who didn't have the opportunity to come to this show is that I really want to share really the spirits I'm feeling this year at the show, because in the last years there had been a lot of different discussions about remanufacturing, about circular economy. There's of course these political positive momentum, but we all know about the also difficulties there is with getting products back, making it commercially feasible. But in the meantime, the mentality is really changing. Customers are requesting it, both on the independent side, also on the OEM side.
As a business, it's important to recognize that the world is changing and we are going to be electrified. So for us as investors, as shareholders, but also employees, it's important to know that we've got a future. So right back in 2006, we identified that this was going to be a potential market. We then identified some universities to start working with, and we came up with some concepts about what maybe would be required. So we've been on this journey for many years.
And we are very happy to be here at Rematec, just right at the entrance. So today, I had the pleasure to present our circular economy framework, the 4 R's: robust design, repair, remanufacturing and recycle. And of course, remanufacturing is a cornerstone of our circular economy strategy because it aims at retaining the value of the final assembled product as long as possible. And as you know, the automotive sector is turning the corner on decarbonization, and the next major challenge is about the circularity of our value chain. But we cannot do it alone, so we need to work together to make circularity a reality.
We're predominantly based in North America, but we do have some European clients, and so it's a wonderful chance to create new relationships, also to see some of our clients that we've worked with for quite a while. This is the hub from a remanufacturing standpoint for Europe.
We work with people all over the world. We're competitors, but we all are kind of finding our way to work together and not get in each other's way. And sometimes they ask us, "Can you help us with this situation? We're in a problem." And we do it with each other, and they help us. And because it's getting so complicated in every turn that you make, whether it's components, whether it's the reman process of how you're trying to do it, along the way you really have to develop a team.
Now to Italy. Coming this November to the Bologna Exhibition Center is Futurmotive Expo and Talks. It'll serve as a platform for discussions and exhibitions in the automotive and electric vehicle charging industries. Futurmotive runs from November 16th to the 18th and is designed for automotive manufacturers, aftermarket professionals, component manufacturers, distributors, and buyers. It'll provide a unique platform to discuss the latest technologies, products, and business models essential for an environmentally and economically sustainable energy transition in the automotive sector. Now, running alongside this, eCharge is scheduled for November 16th and 17th and will focus on the production and distribution of charging systems for electric vehicles. Futurmotive and eCharge aim to enhance the reach and relevance of both events by encompassing a wide range of sectors and audiences, including technicians, service providers, public administrators, utilities, investors, and end users. For more information on Futurmotive Expo and Talks, visit futurmotive.com. I'm Mark Phillips, and thanks for watching this edition of the Aftermarket Intel Video Briefing.